Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. So today I am going to show you how to change the high beams in a 1996 Indy 500 Touring Classic. So what you're going to want to do is you open up the hood, you come up over here. We're going to be doing the high beams. So for those, there's one there and one on the other side. The middle one is the low beam. So you twist it and it'll pull up and out, and then you're going to push to the sides and disconnect these clips. So I'm going to get those disconnected and I'll get it pulled out and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So I have the new light bulb. This one that I'm putting in is actually a LED, so I'm hoping it'll be a little bit brighter. So you just push it on, clip those clips on, and then you push it down in, and then you twist it so it locks, and you're good to go. So I hope this helped you if you wanted to know how to change the high beams in a 1996 or around that year Indy 500 Classic Touring. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.